To see your designation card. Show it to me, please.
Right here. And
Right, let's have a look at it. I did not swear at your colleague.
Yes, you did.
No, I
Just
didn't.
tell me.
No, I didn't. I said she was a stupid woman.
Not to give your name. We're required to.
No, it isn't. Let me see your designation card.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's not a designation card. Let me see what powers you have to detain. You don't have any powers to put your hand on me.
What's your
Don't put your hands on me.
What's your name?
No, I'm asking you, do you have powers to detain? Don't put your hands on me. Don't put your hands on me and getting away with me.
What's your name?
I'm not telling you my name.
Right.
Don't put your hands on me. Because I just said to you, I didn't swear at your colleague.
You're being aggressive in public.
No, she came inside and interrupted me.
And I'm more inclined to believe them over you, so what's your name?
What did I say to you? How did I swear to you exactly? What did I say?
You didn't swear to me.
Exactly. See, she just admitted I didn't swear.
Well, you're being aggressive then.
No, I was not being aggressive, mate. No, you're being aggressive because you're blocking me from moving. You've got no powers to stop me.
What's your name?
You've got no powers to stop me.
What's your name?
Right, I've asked you enough times. Show me your designation card. Yes, you do.
A designation card is the document that confirms the legal powers a PCSO has. Without clearly presenting it, claims about authority to request personal details or restrict someone's movement become difficult to verify. That is what made this encounter stand out. Instead of producing the card, the PCSO relied on verbal claims, blocked Crime Bodge's path, insisted details had to be provided, and displayed a standard ID badge as proof of authority. When Crime Bodge questioned the legal basis for those actions, the officer avoided showing the one document that could have settled the issue, raising further questions about whether his actions were properly supported.
If you're not going to show me your designation card, how do I know if you've got powers under the Police Reform Act to stop me?
What's your name?
No, you haven't. You're stopping me for nothing. Tell me, under what act are you stopping me right now and asking me for my details? Under what law, under what act are you stopping me?
Antisocial behaviour Act.
No, there's nothing
I believe that your behaviour is like cause of harassment on members of the public, and all these doing.
No. These women.
What's your name?
No, these women were the ones who were talking to me when I didn't say anything to them.
What's your name? Look,
mate, I've asked you.
No.
Yeah, you could show me your designation card.
I know, if you don't give them the name.
No, I've asked you to show me your designation card.
I've already given it, sir.
No, that is not your designation card. Show me what powers you have under the Police Reform Act to stop me. You don't have any. Don't put your hands on me. Get a policeman to come and get me.
Oh, no, would you, sir?
Don't put your hands on my phone.
What's your name?
What are you twisting my hand for?
I'm not. I'm detaining you at the minute to find out who you are.
Am I resisting?
You've walked off from these officers.
Yeah, they're not officers. They're PCSOs.
No, they are officers.
Yeah, but he doesn't have the powers to detain me.
But I do.
You may very well, mate, but he didn't, and he stopped me unlawfully.
So, listen to what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Under Section 50 of the Police Reform Act 2002, I want your name and address, please.
When Crime Bodge calmly walks away, something he is generally free to do unless lawfully detained, a police constable steps in and stops him, explaining that he was leaving the officers. Crime Bodge immediately responds that the PCSOs had no authority to detain him. Rather than addressing that point, the constable simply replies, "But I do." That response shifts the focus away from the PCSO's actions and effectively acknowledges that the constable, not the PCSO, was relying on police powers. Had the PCSO's authority been clear from the outset, there would have been little need for that distinction.
Right?
Yeah.
Are you going to give me your details?
And if I give you my details, you can let me go?
Potentially, yeah.
Potentially,
if you
yeah.
Start complying with me.
Right, this guy had no powers to stop me.
Listen.
These two are just looking for trouble because they've got nothing better to do.
We're police officers.
Who are you?
He's a police officer as
Look
well.
at your ID card.
You don't need to see my ID card.
You've seen mine.
I'm with a police officer anyway.
Listen.
You do not need
Show
to see
me
my
your ID. Yeah, I do.
I will talk to you in a
Mate,
second.
get your hands off me.
Calm yourself down.
Why are you
What is your name? What is your name?
Why are you twisting my wrist?
What is your name?
PC 1912 Marshall from Uniform Task Force. All right.
Right.
In my face.
What's
You
your
just have
name?
to see it.
You are totally overreacting.
No, he's not.
Yes, you are. You're totally overreacting.
Right.
Grabbing my
Your
phone
tone
out my
of
hand.
voice-
I've got this phone to protect myself.
Right, listen to me. Your tone of voice, your body language is aggressive, right? That's why we've got out of this car and detained you.
The officers claim that Crime Bodge's tone and body language justified a Section 50 request is difficult to support. That power requires reasonable grounds, not simply someone remaining calm while challenging official actions. Earlier, even the female PCSO acknowledged that Crime Bodge had not used abusive language, making the explanation less persuasive. The encounter suggests the PCSOs acted beyond their authority, and when those actions were questioned, confidence was presented as aggression. Rather than clearly establishing the legal basis for the request, the explanation appeared to defend an earlier decision.
You're not being cooperative.
No, I'm not going to be cooperative with thugs like you.
Right.
Why would I be? You're
Why
a
am I a
thug.
thug then?
You're a mindless thug.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you very much,
Come
sir.
jumped out your car. Do
Right.
I wasn't resisting at that point.
Right.
All you have to do is show me a warrant card, not show me like an idiot.
Right. Did it work though? Did you stand still?
Well, yeah, I did.
Exactly.
Because I assumed that you were.
Exactly.
But not him. He had no powers to detain me, and that's what annoyed me.
He wasn't
Right.
detained, sir.
It doesn't
Listen,
matter.
also, you accused me of swearing at her. She admitted I'd not sworn at her.
Right.
No, but you said to me
You
I'd
just said
sworn
that
at
you
her.
have.
Huh?
You just said that you had.
Say again, what?
You said that you had.
I don't understand what you're saying. Who, what?
They said that you had. It's quite... I'm
Right,
speaking English.
and then she admitted that I hadn't, and I got it on my phone
Right, and you
saying
just
that I
told me
had.
that you had.
No, I did not say I had. I said I had not
Right,
sworn
lose
at them.
attitude. I don't need it.
Don't tell me what to do, mate.
Lose attitude.
You. No, you are the one who
Lose
needs to
attitude.
Point your finger like that again, you'll be arrested.
Why are
Do you
you showing
understand?
me? Why are you showing
Because you're being over-aggressive.
No, I'm not being over.
You will end up
I'm
getting
annoyed at
arrested.
him.
You're making
The
me
Section
think I'm
5
silver.
Can you get
public
off my
order.
foot, please?
The suggestion that simply pointing a finger could lead to arrest is one of the least convincing claims made during the encounter. By itself, that gesture does not normally amount to an arrestable offense or automatically meet the threshold for public order action. Throughout the exchange, the officers appeared to take a much more assertive approach. At one stage, an officer's boot was resting on Crime Bodge's foot, highlighting the imbalance between the two sides. While officers continued issuing warnings and demands, the focus shifted onto the civilian for a gesture that, on its own, offered little basis for legal action.
I'm annoyed at him for stopping me for no good reason.
I had a
He had no
perfect
powers to
reason.
detain me.
You've been detained
I had a
by
perfect reason and
ourselves.
social behaviour act actually name.
Mate, but you had no powers to detain me.
You wasn't detained, was you?
Yes, you was, because
No,
you
wasn't.
put your hand on me
If you're
and you
detained,
blocked
sir,
me.
I'd have grabbed you. I didn't grab you.
No, oh mate, you'll find
get your
out.
details.
No, you'll find out. I've already given you the details.
It's not body cam, mate. Yeah, mate. Yeah.
I've already given you my details.
Right, sir, I'm giving you a 48-hour dispersal. I need to see that you understand what I'm saying to you, sir. From Derby City Centre,
I don't need to look
as
at you
per
to
the ring road.
understand.
Okay?
Yeah, I can hear.
Right, so if you enter Derby City Centre within the next 48 hours, so that's 2 days, before the hour of 1509, okay?
You're going to attack me again.
No, it's
You're
not.
going to assault me again.
Sir, I'm speaking to you. He's not going to attack you. From the
You're a mate,
16th
mate.
of this month, you will be
I look forward to a
arrested.
civil claim I'll be bringing against
Do you understand?
and you.
Do you understand what I've just given you, sir?
Yeah, you're laughing. You think it's funny? No, do you think it's funny? You honestly think that's funny?
The decision to issue a 48-hour dispersal order appears to be a significant escalation. Under the Antisocial Behavior, Crime, and Policing Act 2014, this power is intended for situations involving a reasonable risk of harassment, alarm, distress, crime, or disorder. In this encounter, Crime Bodge was challenging the PCSO's actions rather than creating an obvious public safety issue. As a result, the order appeared to follow the disagreement instead of clear evidence that the legal threshold had been met. That has prompted criticism, particularly because breaching a lawful dispersal order can result in immediate arrest.
I don't think you're funny at all.
Well, when I bring a civil claim against you
I think you're being
and make a
absolutely
complaint to your
Being
professional
absolutely
standards
ludicrous.
department about you for assaulting me, him for trying to detain me when he's got no powers, and that woman there for inciting the whole thing in the first instance, and him as well for acting like a thug. Brilliant. A whole collection of mindless thugs. All right, mate, I heard you now. Okay, don't stand on my foot again, please. Yeah, I've heard you. Okay, is that okay to go now?
I just need to give you a copy of this notice.
I don't want a copy of the notice, mate. Oh, actually, no, I will have it. So that I've got proof about what your name is. Don't forget to put your PCSO 212773. You'll be finding out that I'm right, yeah? When you get sued for detaining me for having no powers to have done so. Yeah, of course you were. You know I was detained. Huh?
It's all on body worn footage, so that's fine.
Is yours recording?
No, mine isn't.
Is yours recording?
It was. I've turned it off now.
Why is it not recording right now?
So I don't want it on road.
They don't have to answer to you, do they?
I'm asking them a question. Perfect. I don't have to answer to you.
When Crime Bodge asks the female PCSO why she stopped recording, it's a fair question during an active encounter. Instead of allowing her to respond, the police constable interrupts by saying she doesn't have to answer to you. While officers are not always required to explain every decision immediately, body-worn cameras exist to promote transparency and public confidence. When recording ends during an incident, questions are understandable. By shutting down the discussion instead of addressing the concern, the officer created the impression of reduced openness, which can undermine public trust.
This isn't the last you hear from me.
Is it not? I hope not.
Honestly, I know you think you're really smug and clever now, but you're going to have to answer to your professional standards.
I will, yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
We'll give you a copy of form, copy of legal rights that explains the reasons why I've given this to you. Okay, so if you're under any illusion why.
I've already intimated civil proceedings against Derby Police, and believe me, this claim is the most comprehensive I've ever prepared. Both of these officers lied, making written statements that I'd sworn at them, despite admitting on the spot I had not.
How did I swear to you exactly? What did I say?
As you didn't swear to me.
Exactly. So she just admitted I didn't swear.
Naturally, the police denied that they'd done anything wrong, and the IOPC routinely sided with the police, as they tend to do by default. So the next step was to sue them. When I initiated the claim against Derbyshire Police for assault, battery, false imprisonment and interference with goods, it became clear very early on that they intended to drag me all the way to court.
The case took a significant turn when Crime Bodge revealed that 2 female PCSOs had submitted statements claiming he swore at them, despite recorded footage including one officer saying, "You didn't swear at me." That inconsistency raised immediate questions about the reliability of the written accounts. Instead of resolving the issue, the dispute continued into legal proceedings. Crime Bodge later filed claims including false imprisonment, assault, battery, and interference with goods, while the force chose to challenge the allegations, leaving the evidence to be examined through the legal process.
They continued to bluff, constantly delaying the court hearing with the usual police excuses of holidays, sick leave, training, never anything to do with being busy tackling crime, of course, dragging it on for over a year. Finally, and just a few weeks before the court hearing, they rolled over and negotiated a settlement. I rejected their first offer on the basis that it didn't contain any admission of liability. It took months to crowbar it out of them. They finally admitted to wrongdoing. And here it is, that admission in full.
A formal letter from East Midlands Police Legal Services confirmed that Crime Bodge was unlawfully detained between 3:10 p.m. and 3:17 p.m., and that the force used during that period was not lawful. That admission changed the direction of the case, raising important questions about how the incident had been handled. After earlier disagreements, the force accepted key parts of the claim, with the available footage playing a central role in establishing the sequence of events and assessing the officer's actions.
And can I just point out the final twist of irony? Not only did Lusick face no disciplinary proceedings whatsoever as a result of this assault, Derbyshire Police decided to employ him as a fully warranted police constable. But their negligence didn't stop there, because they've also given him a gun. Yep, PCSO Lusick, a man who, by his own admission, suffers paralysis of anxiety when asked to show his designation card, applied for a position as a firearms officer. It would be funny if it wasn't so scary.
The decision to appoint Lusick as a fully warranted police officer became one of the most discussed aspects of this case. Critics questioned the lack of visible accountability, particularly after the incident later involved admissions relating to an unlawful detention. What began as a routine public interaction escalated into claims of aggressive behavior, warnings of arrest, the use of dispersal powers, and a prolonged dispute over whether those actions were legally justified. After more than a year of legal proceedings, the force chose to settle and made written admissions on key issues instead of continuing to trial. For many, that outcome became the defining moment of the case. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support future content. Also, check out Crime Bodge through the link in the description and support his channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.